If your pump is sucking too hard, you're splitting these. Is my hat square? So, diaphragms. These are a very common wearing part in pool cleaners, suction pool cleaners. What tends to happen with these is if you've got too much suction on your pool cleaner, they will split these prematurely, and then customers will go, my pool cleaner is not working, which it won't. So this is just a rubber diaphragm, opens and closes, and that's what gives the cleaner the movement around the pool. If the cleaner is sucking too hard, it will split on the sides of the diaphragm here. Usually these aren't covered by warranty, because if you've got too much suction, well, that's your pool pump's problem. So to solve that, you need to connect a valve to your skimmer box. Now most cleaners, all cleaners will come with these, and this helps regulate the flow of water to your pump and from your pool cleaner. So basically this helps regulate how much suction your pool cleaner is going to have. If you've got too much, you need to open your valve. If you don't have enough and your cleaner is not moving, shut your valve. This is what's going to stop you splitting your diaphragms.